I've often noticed that non-native professionals can appear rude when they are not. And sometimes it's because when they feel under pressure, they can default to direct language. So often it's just about changing or tweaking the phrasing very slightly. For example, you could say, "I'd like to clarify," instead of, "I want to tell you something." This keeps it more collaborative. Or you could say this, "There's been a miscommunication," instead of, "It's not my fault." And this shifts it from blame to solution focused. Or you could say, "Let me clarify," instead of, "You don't understand." It's the same intent, but just said slightly differently. And it makes you come across as clear, confident, and capable. So, which one of these will you try? Let me know in the comments below and follow me for more business English fluency tips.